Welcome to my Car Curator channel. Today we are diving in Mahindra Bolero. The Mahindra Bolero is one of the most iconic SUVs in India, known for its ruggedness, durability, and practicality. Launched in 2000, the Bolero has consistently remained a top choice for buyers looking for a reliable and sturdy vehicle that can handle rough terrains and challenging road conditions. It is especially popular in rural and semi-urban areas, where its robust construction and powerful engine make it an ideal companion for daily commutes, business use, and off-road adventures. The Mahindra Bolero is powered by a 1.5 L Mach 75 diesel engine, which produces 75 HP and 210 Nm of torque. This engine is mated to a 5-speed manual transmission, ensuring smooth power delivery and good control over various terrains. The Bolero is a rear-wheel drive (RWD) SUV, which helps it perform well on highways and rough roads alike. One of the biggest advantages of the Bolero is its high ground clearance, which allows it to glide over bad roads, potholes, and even muddy tracks without much difficulty. Its suspension setup, consisting of independent front coil springs and rigid leaf springs at the rear, ensures that it remains stable even when carrying heavy loads. Despite its rugged build, the Bolero manages to deliver a mileage of around 16 to 17 km/h, making it a fuel-efficient choice in its segment. The Mahindra Bolero has always had a boxy, old-school SUV design, which gives it a strong road presence. The latest versions have received minor styling upgrades, including a new front grille, revised headlamps, and sporty graphics on the sides. The body is built using heavy-duty metal, ensuring longevity and resistance against rough usage. Other notable exterior features include squared-off headlights with halogen lamps for better visibility, thick body cladding for extra protection, large fenders that add to its muscular appeal, and a rear-mounted spare wheel, giving it a classic SUV look. The Bolero's interior is designed for functionality rather than luxury. It features a simple dashboard layout with easy-to-use controls. The seating capacity of 7 makes it a practical choice for families and businesses. Key interior features include a digital instrument cluster displaying fuel level, speed, and trip meter, air conditioning ensuring comfort during long journeys, vinyl upholstery that is easy to clean and maintain, and a basic infotainment system in higher variants, offering Bluetooth connectivity and USB support. Although it may lack the premium feel of modern SUVs, the Bolero compensates with its spacious cabin, practicality, and durability. In recent years, Mahindra has upgraded the Bolero to meet modern safety norms. The latest models come equipped with ABS anti-lock braking system for better control during sudden braking, dual front airbags in higher variants for added protection, rear parking sensors to assist in parking, and seatbelt reminders and high-speed alerts for improved safety. The Mahindra Bolero is available in 3 primary variants: B4, the base